Enrique Hernandez. I'm originally from Warsaw, Indiana. I live down in Indianapolis now. I work at Firefly Tattoo. Here at Fort Wayne, Indiana, and the tattoo convention is Devil's Hollow Festival. The artists that they have are some really top-notch artists, so when they have the tattoo contest, you're getting to see some of really today's mainstream art. The art that people are looking for, the art that people are wanting is here.
Check out our crew over at Grade 8, Five and the gang are hanging out over there doing some awesome work this weekend. So again, Five and Grade 8, thanks to them.
How did you like Jesse's work?
Oh, I love his work. He did awesome. A lot more than I thought it was going to be.
Time-wise, how long?
It's about 7 hours.
7 hours? Mm-hmm. How do you feel like on the quality Jesse did?
Oh, amazing.
Would you refer him to anyone?
Of course.
Shout out to Grade A.
Alright, our floor is now closed to public, so please start making your way towards our exit. Unless you're a tattoo artist or being tattooed.
What time is it?
It's
what time?
12:24.
Wrapping it up today here at the Grand Wayne Center for the Devil's Hollow Convention in the heart of Fort Wayne, Indiana. Grade A artists attending were all booked with extremely beautiful pieces. Today's event was a great turnout. Aside of shooting the event, I'm attending it and booked a session with Alon Ramirez. Be on the lookout for day 2 back here at the Devil's Hollow Convention at the Grand Wayne Center.